Come children, now we try to understand about solutions. What are solutions? So solution, let me give you one example, a practical example. I have water over here. So water, I mix a little bit of sugar here. So I am mixing the sugar and then I am just stirring it. When I stir it very nicely and thoroughly, if I stir it, then what happens, all the sugar gets mixed. So I get what to say, now the sugar is mixed, so I get what to say, a solution. So a solution will contain two things. A solution will contain two things, a solvent that is present in larger proportion. So here water is the solvent, and a solute that is present in a smaller proportion, that is known as what to say, that is known as solute. Now just to change, I just rubbed that off because it was written opposite. Solvent is called the dispersion medium. Dispersion medium, where the solute particles are dispersed, and these are called dispersed, solute are called dispersed phase. So let us try to once again understand. A solution will have two components, water, solvent and solute. Now here in this case, the solvent is water, it is in larger quantity, and the solute is sugar, it is in smaller quantity. Solvent also, in scientific terms, we call it dispersion medium, and solute is called dispersed phase. Now what are the types of solution? Let us try to understand. Suppose I keep on adding sugar to this, and suppose this is 100 ml and I keep on adding sugar to it. So it will take 1 spoon, 2 spoon, 20 grams might be, 21 grams, 22 grams. Then after 22 grams, it does not take any more solute at all at any condition of stirring at 20 degrees centigrade. Say for example, the room temperature is 20 degrees centigrade. Then that means now it is a saturated solution. That means a saturated solution is a solution which cannot further take any more of the solute at that given temperature. Alright, so that is there. And suppose I keep on still adding. So if a solution can take up more of the solute at a particular temperature, then it is known as unsaturated solution. Alright, saturated means it cannot take any more, and unsaturated means it can take more. Unsaturated solution means it can take more of solute. Saturated solution means it cannot take more of solute. Like suppose I have added 20 grams, now the 21st gram is not dissolving in whatever I try at this temperature, then it is known as saturated solution. Now then further I move, then we will come to a peculiar case, that is known as supersaturated. Suppose I tell you the room temperature is 20 degrees centigrade, it is 100 ml of water and it takes only 20 grams of sugar. Now it is not taking any more. The room temperature is 20 degrees centigrade. It takes up 100 grams of water. I take 100 grams of water. Now I add 20 grams of sugar maximum to it. After that it does not take any more. Then it is a saturated solution. But a child will challenge me, sir, I can put more of solute here. What he will do? He will bypass. When I will go from here, he will heat it. So suppose the temperature rises to 20 degrees to 25. So as soon as the temperature is increased, the intermolecular space will increase. So more solute can get in, a few more particles can be allowed. So now suppose 1 gram is there now, 1 gram has gone. So instead of 20 grams, now it has got 21 grams, which in normal condition it was not allowed. And then he brings back the temperature back to, after heating, when the solute is dissolved, he brings back the temperature back to 20 degrees centigrade and he says, sir, here there is 21 gram of solute. So it is cheating, but anyway it happens. And if by any means a solution contains more than the solute allowed at that particular temperature, then it is supersaturated solution. The best part is if you add, so supersaturated solutions the extra solute is not stable. So if you add one drop of one pinch of sugar more there, after it has become the supersaturated solution, the extra sugar will settle down. So it will leave the solution. That means again it will return to 20 grams only. Then what is solubility? Now solubility is a numerical part of solution. Suppose I have got 100 ml of water over here, 100 ml of water at 20 degrees centigrade, and I add 5 grams of sugar to it, then 10 grams of sugar to it. Now the sugar does not dissolve. So solubility of sugar will be 10 gram per 100 ml of water at 20 degrees centigrade. So solubility of different things are fixed. How much of water can be, how much of sugar can be added to 100 ml of water, it is fixed. Pure water at a particular temperature. How much of salt can be added? So solubility of salt is fixed. Table salt, solubility of other things also, even gaseous like CO2, how much, what will be the solubility. And the best part is for when the solute is solid. So when you increase the temperature, the solubility will increase. That means it will allow more solute to enter. But in some cases of solid or gases, if you increase the temperature, solubility will decrease because the gaseous solute will start escaping out with the increase in temperature. Thank you.